In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. QBO tutorial. A sales receipt is perfect when your customer pays you at the time of the sale, whether that's in person, over the phone, or online. Unlike an invoice, which requests payment later, a sales receipt records both the sale and the payment in one step, so your income and bank deposit are updated immediately. To begin, sign in to QuickBooks Online and head to the top left of your screen. Click on New. From there, select New, and then choose Sales Receipt. This opens a fresh sales receipt form where you'll enter the details of the transaction. Start by choosing the customer. If the customer already exists in your list, select them. Otherwise, you can add a new customer on the fly. Make sure the customer email field is accurate if you plan to send the receipt by email. Confirm the sales receipt date so it reflects the day the payment was received. Next, select the payment method such as cash, check, or card, and if you use reference numbers for checks or external transactions, add that to keep your records clean. Choose where the money is going in the deposit to field, either your bank account directly or undeposited funds, if you group multiple receipts into a single bank deposit later. Now add what you sold. In the product or service column, pick the correct items from your list. Enter the quantity, rate, and any discount if applicable. If you use sales tax, verify the tax settings on each line or use the sales tax calculation at the bottom to ensure the correct amount is applied for the customer's location. You can add a memo or a message on the receipt if you want to include a brief note for the customer and attach supporting documents if needed. Double-check the totals to make sure everything looks right. Once everything is complete, go to the bottom right and click Save and Send. This opens the email preview. Here, you can edit the email subject and message to match your tone and give your customer a clear summary of the purchase. Confirm the recipient email, add any CCs if necessary, and review the attached PDF of the sales receipt. When you're satisfied, send it off. That's all it takes. You clicked New, selected Sales Receipt, entered the transaction details, and used Save and Send to email it. With this workflow, your books stay accurate, your customers get instant confirmation, and you save time on follow-ups.